In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and connect items automatically in Monday.com. We're going to focus on a really powerful feature, using match automations to connect items that already exist across different boards. This is especially useful if you're managing data in multiple places, like a sales board and a client's board, and you want them to stay in sync without having to manually link each item. To start, open your Monday.com account and go to the board where you want the automation to live. At the top of the screen, look for the Automate button. This opens the Automation Center, which is where all of Monday's automation recipes live. In the search bar inside the Automation Center, type the word Match. This will filter the recipes to the ones that can automatically connect items based on matching values. From the list of results, look for a recipe that says something like, when column changes, connect the item where the new value matches this column in another board. Go ahead and select that recipe. What this means in plain language is that whenever a value is updated in a specific column, Monday.com will look at another board, find the item with the same value, and automatically connect them. Once you've selected the recipe, you'll move on to the configuration stage. Here, you'll choose which boards and columns you want to use for the matching. For example, you might decide that the client email column on your main board should match the contact email column on a secondary board. The key is to pick a column that holds a unique identifier, something that clearly belongs to only one person, project, or company. Emails, custom ID numbers, or order IDs work really well for this. In the setup screen, first choose the board where the automation is being triggered, then choose the board you want to connect to. After that, select the specific columns you want to match on each board. Double-check that the column types align and that the data is formatted consistently. If one board uses a text column and the other uses a status or number column, the match may not work as expected. When you're done configuring, save the automation and test it with a sample item. Change the value in your chosen column and see if Monday automatically connects it to the correct item on the other board. If it does, you're all set. If not, review your columns and make sure the values truly match. That's how you can use match automations in Monday.com to connect existing items across boards automatically.